Hello, my name is Jack Dickerson. I'm an agent with Coldwell Banker La Costa. I live here in Puerto Vallarta. We moved here full-time in December and glad to be part of this team. My first experience in Puerto Vallarta visit was in 1977. Needless to say, I've seen a lot of changes since then. The changes here have been great because it's turned what was a sleepy fishing village into a modern city with all the conveniences for people looking for retirement or vacations. But at the same time, PV has been able to maintain the original feeling, the vibe that was there back in the beginning. My favorite area in Puerto Vallarta is the Romantic Zone. We live less than a mile from the Romantic Zone, so every morning we're able to walk down to see the ocean and stroll along the Malecon. It's just makes it for a beautiful day. What is my favorite beach? You know, there's hundreds of beaches. There's little bitty private Los Colmitos beach, secluded. But for me personally, Los Muertos beach is my favorite. It has all the vibrance and noise and color and people and activity that you expect when you see in Mexico, in addition to all the great little restaurants and fondas. What is my favorite development? That's a good question, because when I began my relationship in Puerto Vallarta, I was actually associated with the Garza Blanca Hotel. And that, of course, has really grown and changed to something world-class today. My favorite thing about Puerto Vallarta, beyond anything else, is the people. The people here are just unbelievable. They're helpful, I would say honest. They give you the shirt off their back. My favorite thing about being a real estate professional is helping people realize their dreams. You know, find that vacation home or that forever home, and just the joy and happiness that it brings to people. What do I like to do in my spare time? I love to cook. One of the great things about Puerto Vallarta is all the fresh ingredients, everything local. I assume most of the food is organically grown. It's just a great source. I love to cook Mexican food, and that's one of my passions and what I do in my spare time.